Hello and congratulations. First of all, I really appreciate that you have decided to enroll to this program. And I make sure that you will get an amazing learning experience in this entire program. Now, there are a few steps which we have to perform first of all. You already gave me the detail and the details are with me. You will get the access to this program in next 24 hours. I got your email ID. I'll give you the access to this particular portal in next 24 hours. If you are not getting the access within 24 hours, you just WhatsApp me on this number and I can give you the access. But as I mentioned, in 24 hours, you'll get the access. So let's wait for a few more minutes, few more time, and then we will start this amazing journey of Python in detail. These are the things which we are going to cover. You can see lots and lots of videos which we have to go through. And again, we will talk about various different projects as well in this entire curriculum. So let's wait for some time and then hope to see you in the course and you will learn amazing Python with very easy understanding. Hope to see you in the course in next 24 hours. Till then, be ready and be energetic to understand this beautiful programming language. Also, if you want, you can email me to cognitierlearning@gmail.com as well for any doubts or any issues with the access to this particular program. So till then, take care and stay safe. See you soon. Bye bye.